In this video, we will learn the concept of what are the IP security modes of operation. So there are two modes of IP security. The first one is transport mode and the second one is tunnel mode. In case of transport mode, we are sending the packets from one client to another client. That time, your payload of your IP packet will be encrypted. But in case of tunnel mode, the whole entire IP packet will be encrypted. In case of tunnel mode, your whole IP packet will be encapsulated into one capsule, and that data will be transferred from one gateway to another gateway. And all the network machines are connected to the gateway. So that is the difference between the transport mode and the tunnel mode. So in case of transport mode, the original IP packet of the payload will be encrypted. But in case of tunnel mode, our entire whole IP packet will be encrypted. In this video, we have learned the concept of IP security modes. In the next video, we will learn what are the two types of IP security protocols and how our transport mode and tunnel mode will be working in that authentication header and ESP protocol.